This dish specifically started about 4 years ago. We've developed the recipe to what it is now, which is a Sri Lankan sea bass. We didn't want to take a Sri Lankan dish and just put it on our menu. We wanted to take elements of the Sri Lankan traditional cooking, and this is how this dish was then born. So we take a bunch of spices, fresh ingredients, lemongrass, kaffir lime, curry leaves, tomatoes, ginger, turmeric. So it's how we prepare those spices and then adding the liquids to it to create a robust, fragrant dish and sauce. Our philosophy is every day if we're a little bit better than yesterday, and that's how we look at food, is we can try and make it every single day a little bit more robust, a little bit more flavorful, where our customers can then enjoy it. Yes, it is a Dubai homegrown dish. I got to eat quite a bit of street food in Sri Lanka. We took flavors and took ingredients from specific dishes and we put it all together, and Sri Lankan sea bass came out.